Hi everyone. In this video, we'll understand that if there are more than one substituent, okay, ortho and para-directing or meta-directing in the benzene ring, and we want to accommodate the third substituent in that benzene ring, then at which position it will attack the benzene ring, okay? So if there are when two substituents already present on the ring, the third substituent's place will be on the located place according to this following rules, okay? So let's understand these rules. The rules for the substituent are as follows. When two ortho or para directors are meta to each other, the third substituent will not be located between them. This is an ortho para directing methyl group. This is also an ortho and para directing chlorine group. Okay, they are meta to each other. This is the ortho position, this is meta position, this is para position. We can learn this with the trick word Om Prakash. Om Prakash. Okay, so these two groups are meta to each other. These two groups are meta to each other. So the third substituent will not attack if it is an electrophile, because these are ortho and para directing groups. So what do they do? If they are ortho and para directing groups, they create a negative center at the ortho and para positions. So they try to accommodate the electrophile, but this electrophile will not attack this ortho position. It will not attack. It will attack either this position or it will attack this position, either the ortho position or the para position. But the para position product will be the major product due to its greater stability. Next, when both an ortho-para-director and a meta-director is present on the ring, the third substituent place depends on the ortho and para-director. This N-ethyl group is an ortho-director, ortho and para-director. Okay, this CF3 is a meta-directing group. This is an ortho-directing group. Ortho and para-directing. This is also an ortho and para-directing group. This is a meta-directing group, benzaldehyde. So if these two groups are present, the incoming electrophile, okay, will attack on which ring? The incoming electrophile or the nucleophile, they attack on which thing? On which the incoming substituent will attack at which position? They will attack at the ortho and para-directing group, okay? Because ortho and para-directing group, if you draw the resonance structures of ortho and para-directing groups of the benzene ring, these ortho and para-directing resonance structures are more stable, and due to their more stability, they are dominant over the meta-directing groups. So they will attack they will allow the incoming nucleophile to attack the ortho and para position. Now we come to the third rule. When both the groups are the same director, they can be either meta-directing, they can be either ortho and para-directing. Okay. So the third substituent will depends on the stronger one. Like N-diethyl, this is second degree amine, okay, and this is the methyl. So both are ortho and para-directing groups, okay, but the effect of this diethyl amine is more as compared to the CH3. It is stronger. That's why the incoming substituent, the third substituent, will attack at ortho position. It will not attack at para position, because at para position we have a methyl group. In the second compound, we have CuNH2 and we have Cn. So both are meta-directing groups. Both are meta-directing groups. The Cn have a greater influence as compared to this amide group. So the incoming substituent will attack at meta position, either here or either here. Okay. The fourth rule is when both the group have similar directing effect and are para to each other, the third substituent depends on the less hindered one. So this CH3 is also an ortho and para directing. This isobutyl group, this is a third butyl group. Sorry, this is a third butyl group. Okay, third butyl group. So this is also an ortho and para directing. So the third substituent will attack on the less hindered one. The third substituent will not attack at this ortho position. It will not attack at this ortho position. The third substituent will attack at this ortho position because it is a less bulky group. It will offer less steric hindrance. It will offer less steric hindrance. So the incoming group will attack at this ortho position. Okay. On the basis of these rules, we'll consider the attack of the various substituents towards the benzene ring. And on the basis of these rules, okay, I'll discuss one question in the next video. So do watch it, and I hope the rules of the attacking rate of the third substitute with the benzene ring is clear. If you like my video, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.